So we've done atomic structure. We know pretty much everything about atomic structure. Now we're going to talk about how it relates to different things. So group 1 is known as a very, very reactive bunch of metals, bunch of elements. And the reason for that is it's got 1 electron in the outer shell, or as we've learnt. And why would that make it reactive? Well, all atoms want to form a full outer shell. That's what they would like to do. So when atoms react with another atom, or when an element reacts with another element, what happens is they're both seeking to get full outer shells. And it's quite easy to make these ones a full outer shell because you just take away 1 electron. Whereas if you go to the group 2, I would have to take away 2 electrons. So the question is, why? Because what happens is, as you go down the group, it gets even more reactive. So francium is the most reactive element on the most reactive metal on the periodic table. So why is that the case? We understand why all of these are reactive, but why is francium more reactive than cesium and so on? Why does the reactivity get higher? Well, it's to do with the size of the shells. So, to do with how many shells. We know that the periods tell you the number of shells, which means as you get down to here, we've got 1 electron in the outer shell, but we've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then don't forget the first row, 6 shells beneath that. That means that the 1 electron we need to remove is really, really far away from the positively charged attractive nucleus. So it doesn't have much of a pull. So that's the reason why francium is the most reactive.